The Tech Fixr will show you how to open any programs or software with keyboard shortcuts in Windows 10. You can create a shortcut for any app or application to open the application using the shortcut. To do this, first of all, click on the Start menu and search for the application you want to create shortcut. For example, I want to create shortcut for Google Chrome. So I'm going to right clicking on the Google Chrome, hover over on More and click on Open File Location. And also here you will get the software. Now right click on the application, click on Properties. Make sure to select the shortcut app and here you will get the shortcut key. By default, for all application, shortcut key is selected none. So click on this box and now select the shortcut. For example, I want to create shortcut key Ctrl-Alt-C to open the Google Chrome browser. So I pressed Ctrl-Alt-C on my keyboard and here we can see the shortcut has been successfully added. Now clicking on Apply, Continue, OK, and the shortcut has been successfully created for the application. Now let's check it out. So I'm going to pressing Ctrl-Alt-C and as you can see the Chrome browser has been successfully opened. So this is how we can open any programs or application with keyboard shortcuts in Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe the Tech Fixr. See you in the next video.